Welcome to Nav Classes. Today we are going to discuss new approaches to organizing HR human resource. And at the end we are going to discuss multiple choice questions as well. So there are four type of uh, approaches which are important and which are new to organizing HR. So some employers organize their HR services around four groups. So these groups are transactional HR group, corporate HR group, embedded HR group, center of expertise. So we are going to discuss them in detail, then we will discuss MCQs. Firstly, if you didn't subscribe yet, then please subscribe, and this is my blog. Here you can come and subscribe this blog for latest insights. See, transactional HR group. What is transactional HR group? It focuses on outsourcing. So we are going to take services of other vendors. So outsourcing arrangement with vendors to provide support in day-to-day transactional HR activities to companies employ. Then what is corporate HR group? It focuses on assisting top management in big picture issues such as developing long-term strategies plan. Here strategic human resource person or human resource managers work with a corporate group top management. Strategic HRM will sit with top management and decide about corporate HR related issues. Then there is embedded HR units. It assigns the HR generalist directly to the department to provide localized human resource management assistance. So here we are going to discuss about localized human resource assistance to the department. So it works on a specific department and specific area. Then there is centers of expertise, special HR consulting firms within the company. Example, providing specialized assistance in areas such as organizational change. So this main considers upon organizational change. For example, if any problem arises all of sudden or any long-term problem arises, so there organizational change is required. So here the center of expertise is required. So HR manager work and provide their services as per center of expertise. Now we are going to discuss certain MCQs with which we are able to understand this. Now we are discussing certain MCQs with which we are able to understand this in more insight. Then what is the center? First question says center of expertise provides special assistance in. We recently studied that center of expertise provides special assistance in related to change. So organizational change. Third is correct answer here. Then another question asks, an assistants need to manage localized human resource. So we discussed about localized human resource which are provided by embedded HR group. So here the answer is B, embedded. Assistant to top level management for a strategic plan is provided by. So where we discussed about top level management and HR assistance. So here we discussed about corporate HR group. So B is correct answer. Changing and updating benefit is performed by. So changing and updating benefits are performed by whom? Transactional HR group. Okay, so here we discussed about transactional HR group. So we discussed all answers here. So here we end up with our today's lecture about new approaches to organize HR's MCQs. So keep watching Nav Classes. Must subscribe and ring the bell with subscribe button so that you will have all lectures as and when I upload them. Ask your friend to come and subscribe so that we all will learn in groups. Thank you.